Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start exercise 4A of 8th edition D2 and question number 1. This is basically related with algebra, and in algebra we know that we can add or subtract only like terms. Now what are like terms? Like terms are basically in which the variables are same. So starting from question number 1, and question number 1 part A is 2x square and plus minus 11x square. We know that in algebra first of all you have to open the bracket. This plus minus will become minus 2x square minus 11x square. Now this is x square, this is x square, that means they are like terms, so we can add or subtract. What is the sign over here? When there is no sign, that means there is a sign plus. Plus minus minus, but sign will be with the bigger number. 11 minus 2, 9. X square is your answer. Similarly part B is 5x square minus 17x square. Now there is no bracket, so you can directly write down the answer. 5 minus 17, so minus 12x square is your answer. Next step is part C, minus 6y square plus 15y square. Now minus plus minus, but sign with that is with the bigger number. So 15 is over here, bigger number. 15 minus 6, the answer is 9y square. Will you can write plus, or if you will don't write any sign, that means it is plus. 30 minus 30y square plus 14y square. 30 minus 30 plus 14, so the answer is minus 16y square. Part E is minus 3e square minus 10e square. Both are negative, so when both are negative we will add, but sign will be negative. Minus 13e square. Next is minus 12f square and minus 19f square. Again both are negative, but we have to add, but sign will be negative. 9 and 2, 11, and this is minus 31 f square. Part G is minus 20 g square and minus, and there is again one more minus g square. So first of all, when there is involved the bracket, so first of all you have to open the bracket. Minus minus plus 21 g square. Now this is minus, this is plus, so we have to subtract. 21 minus 21 g square. This is your answer. Part H is minus 18h square minus and minus 5h square. Again you have to open the bracket. Minus 18h square minus minus become plus 5h square. Plus and minus you have to subtract, but sign that is with the bigger number. Minus 13h square. Remember that जब आप ये करते हैं, कुछ स्टूडेंट ये मिस्टेक कर देते हैं कि 18h स्क्वायर और माइनस 5h स्क्वायर लिख देते हैं. ये वाला स्टेप आपने नहीं करना होता. आफ्टर दिस स्टेप जस्ट यू हैव टू डायरेक्टली राइट डाउन द आंसर. Clear? Question number 2, without using the calculator, simplify the following expression. Again there is some expression that we have to simplify. Part A is minus 3x square plus minus 7x square plus 9 minus 18. Now these two are like terms and these two are like terms, but there is a bracket. So first of all I have to open the bracket. Minus 3x square minus 7x square plus 9 minus 18. So from here it is minus 10x square, and from here it is minus 9. Similarly, part B, 14x square minus 15x square plus 8x minus 10x. 14 minus 15, these two are like terms with their signs. There is plus, there is minus. So minus 1x square plus 8x minus 8x, it is minus 2x. Clear? You can underline, you can circle for your ease, so you can easily identify the like term. 6y square plus 19z. There is no change, no need to change their positions. They can stay on their own position. You just simplify it. For example, this is 6y square and this is 9y square. Now there is no need to write 9y square with 6y. You can directly 6 plus 9, it's 15 y square. This is 19z and this is minus 8yz. So they are different. So I will write them as it is because they are not like terms, so I cannot add or subtract them. Part D is 5y square minus xy minus y square minus into minus 10yx. So from here it is 5y square minus xy minus y minus minus become plus 10yx. Okay. Now xy and yx, they are same thing. So 5y square will remain as it is. 10 minus 1, it is 9. Xy, if you will write yx, both are same. This minus y will remain as it is. Part E is w square plus 2w minus 7 minus into minus 11 w square minus 5w minus 1. So again w square plus 2w minus 7 minus minus plus 11 w square minus 5w and minus 1. This w square and this w square. So there is nothing, that means there is 1. 11 plus 1, 12w square. This is 2w, and over here this is minus 5w. 2 minus 5 minus 3w. This is minus 7, this is minus 1. So minus 8. This is your answer. Moving towards the last part of this question. Okay, this is the next part. Again, minus 4h square minus 9k square. This is minus minus plus 2kh or hk, and plus 3h square minus 7k square plus 2hk. Now like terms, minus 4h square plus 3h square. So minus 1h square. Okay, the next one is minus 9k square minus 7k square. 9, and it is minus 16k square, 2hk, and this will become 4hk or kh. Okay, moving toward next question, question number 3. And in question number 3 there are some brackets that we have to solve. Question number 3, part A is, it is 10 into x plus 1. Remember that whenever we are having a bracket and there is a number or a variable outside, so that means this number with its sign, that will multiply with each and every term that is present inside the bracket one by one. So first of all, I will multiply 10 with x, so it will become 10x. Then plus 10 with 1, so it will become 10. Now they are not like term. If you will write 20x, your answer will get wrong. This is x, this is only 10, so we cannot add them. Moving towards the next part, minus 4 into 3x minus 2y. So again, minus 4 3s are 12x, minus minus plus 4 2s are 8y. Part C is 8x into y minus 1. So it is 8xy minus 8x. Remember that for multiplication we don't need any like terms. You can multiply any of the two terms. Minus 9x, and over here it is 3y minus 2z. So it will become minus 27xy minus minus will become plus 18xz. Okay, the next one is part E, that is 2 plus 3a and 5 minus 11b. Remember that now this 2 is not multiplying with the bracket, so that 2 I will write as it is. This 3 with its sign, this plus sign, that is multiplying with the bracket, so I will multiply that 3 multiply with 5, it's 15a, and minus 3 multiply with 11, it's 33ab. Now again there is no like term. Part F is minus 5 minus 3c 2d plus 3e. मिस्टेक स्टूडेंट्स अक्सर क्या करते हैं, इन दोनों को ऐड कर देते हैं. रिमेंबर दैट ये मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस नंबर विद दिस ब्रैकेट, और फिर अगर आपके पास लाइक टर्म्स हैं देन यू कैन ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट. क्लियर? So again minus 5 we will write as it is. This minus 3 will multiply, so it will become minus 6cd. This minus plus minus 3 3s are 9ce. This is part F. Part G is 7 minus 6p, and over here it is 7q minus 3r. So 7 will remain as it is. This minus will multiply, so minus 42pq, and minus minus will become plus 18PR. Next part is part H, and it is 11 minus 8S and minus 12T minus 7U. So 11 will remain as it is. This minus and minus will become plus 96ST. This minus and minus will become plus 56SU. इस क्वेश्चन में हमारे पास कोई लाइक टर्म्स नहीं थी, तो हमने कुछ भी ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं किया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पार्ट ए इज़ 5x इंटू वाई प्लस 6z माइनस 2x 2y प्लस 10z. ओके, 5x मल्टीप्लाई होगा इस यहाँ तक, और फिर आगे से नेक्स्ट ब्रैकेट में 2x मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सो 5x मल्टीप्लाई विद y 5xy, 5 multiply with 6, it is 30xz. now the work is over here, it's finished. मतलब इस 5 का अब आगे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. now this minus 2 multiply with all the number, 2 multiply with 2 minus 4xy, this minus plus minus, and it is 20xz. now you can see that this and this are like terms. so 5 minus 4, it is 1xy. 30 minus 20, it is plus 10xz. रिमेंबर दैट साइंस का आपने बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखना है, अदरवाइज़ आपका क्वेश्चन पूरे का पूरा गलत हो सकता है. 4a b माइनस 5c प्लस 2a 3b माइनस 7c. so from here it is 4ab minus 4 5s are 20 ac plus 2 3s are 6ab plus minus minus 2 7s are 14ac. now 4ab and 6ab, it is 10ab and 20, and this is minus 34ac. moving towards part c, and part c is saying that 7d and 3e minus 4f minus 4d 3e minus 2f. so 7 3s are 21 de, it is 21de minus 28 df minus 12 de plus 8 df. 21 minus 12, this will become 9 de and minus 28, and this is plus, so minus 20 df. moving towards the last part. okay, from here it is minus 9hk, minus minus will become plus, 3 4s are 12 hm minus 8 2s are 16 hk minus plus minus 8 3s are 24 hm. now minus 9 hk and minus 16, so it is minus 25 hk, and plus 12 and minus 24, it is minus 12 hm. this is the end of question number 4. moving towards question number 5, and question number 5 is multiplication of two algebraic brackets. so first of all, I will explain you how we can multiply the two brackets in algebra. the part a is a plus b and 4x plus 9y. okay, whenever there is a multiplication of two brackets, so first of all you will take the very first term in the first bracket, and you will write the second complete bracket after that, 4x plus 9y in terms of multiplication. फिर उसके बाद आपने सेकेंड नंबर लेना है विद इट्स साइन प्लस बी वट एवर द नंबर और द वेरिएबल, एंड यू विल रिपीट द सेकेंड ब्रैकेट अगेन. रिमेंबर दैट सेकेंड ब्रैकेट आपकी 2 बार रिपीट हो रही है, ठीक है. और इसमें आपके पास अगर 2 लेटर्स हैं या 3 लेटर्स हैं, वो सब मल्टीप्लाई होंगे सेकेंड ब्रैकेट के साथ. ना ओपन द ब्रैकेट दैट वी हैव डन इन द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन, 4ax प्लस 9ay प्लस 4bx plus 9by. clear. moving towards part b, it is 5c plus d, and the other one is 5e plus 2f. again first number, second complete bracket, then second number with its sign, and again second complete bracket as it is. 5 5s are 25, CE, 5 2s are 10, CF plus 5 DE plus 2DF. Now no like terms, so this is your answer. Part C is 7m plus 3 and n minus 3p. From here 7m, n minus 3p plus 3 n minus 3p. Okay, 7mn minus 21 mp plus 3n minus 9p. Again no like terms, so till here your answer is fine. Part D, 3t minus 7u and 7v plus 4w. First number, second complete bracket. This is the rule. Minus, whatever the sign is over here, you have to use 7u, 7v plus 4w. So 7 3s are 21, tv plus 12 tw minus 49 uv minus 7 4s are 28 uw. अगर फर्दर हमारे पास लाइक टर्म्स होती हैं तो हम उनको ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, बट देयर इज़ नो लाइक टर्म्स, सो हम यहीं तक हमारा क्वेश्चन जो है वो कंप्लीट हो जाता है. 2a माइनस बी एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ x माइनस 6y. सो फ्रॉम हियर इट इज़ 2a x minus 6y and minus b and again x minus 6y. So 2a I will multiply. So 2ax minus 2 6 are 12 ay minus bx minus minus plus 6by और yb. लेटर्स आप आगे पीछे कर सकते हैं, उससे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता. ठीक है. पार्ट एफ इज़ 3h minus 5k and from here it is minus q minus 7r. Okay, from here it is 3h minus q minus 7r and minus 5k and minus q minus 7r. Okay, minus 3hq minus 3 7s are 21 hr minus and minus plus 5kq minus and minus plus 35kr. So that is it for today. Hope you got my point and it will help you to do your work. See you in the next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz.